At ACE, we bridge the gap between science and entrepreneurship. We do so by organizing a variety of programs that help students and academics to establish an entrepreneurial mind and skill set.
After many years of doing research, studying fundamental properties, it's a lot of fun to actually try to use that knowledge and to make something useful out of it, to apply it and to be able to contribute to society.
So here at Lowland, we generate synthetic models for the fashion e-commerce industry with the goal of basically enabling brands to show more inclusive options to consumers.
Solar foil is a foil that you put on top of your greenhouse to optimize the sunlight to make plants grow faster and more efficient. So I knew how to do research, I knew how to lead development, but I had no idea how to start a company or how to make a product. During ACE Incubator, I had workshops, talks with mentors, and I learned what is necessary to get a product market ready. What does the market need? How do you get good product market fit?
First of all, we're organizing a variety of multi-day Explore programs for students and researchers to introduce them to the fundamentals of entrepreneurship. Secondly, our ACE AI Lab supports collaborations between corporates and startups by creating AI-based spin-offs. Thirdly, our biannual Incubation Program helps academic entrepreneurs to take their tech or science-based venture to the next level.
During the program, we also met our first investors, ACEV, who are our neighbors. We met them during a pitch event that we actually won. And this kind of enabled us to make our first hires and start growing the team and the product itself, which was really important early on.
What I personally enjoy about working at ACE, it's really working with the founders, feeling the energy they have when they are developing the next big thing. And of course, it's very rewarding to be part of this journey.
After ACE, I had the necessary tools and confidence to join the Amsterdam Science and Innovation Award. And I actually managed to win this. Now, this milestone really enabled new things. After this, together with the UvA, we could start a company and are now in the final phases of doing that.
Since graduating from ACE, the biggest accomplishments I would say are, firstly, we got featured on Forbes, then we won the Philips Innovation Award, and the big one that's more recent is the Tommy Hilfiger Frontier Challenge, where we actually got to meet Tommy Hilfiger himself, and that was a very big, stamp for us, which is like, okay, we're moving in the right direction.
Do you want to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey? Check out the programs and opportunities on our website.